Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you very important topics MRI of MRCP. MRCP means magnetic resonance cholangiopancreatography. So let's go started. First of all, you can see here the three images. The first image is coronal images, this is axial images, and another is sagittal. Now we will do the plan T2 hashed coronal. Look at the protocol. Now we will do the plan T2 hashed coronal. So coronal plan will be all the axial and sagittal images, and look at the parameters. Now I nicely set up the planning. Okay, now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. Here, this is the GB. Okay, now everything is fine. Okay, now apply. Now the next T2 trophy, FS coronal, manual voice. Now breath hold. Okay, at first open protocol and look at the localizer. Yeah. And everything is now fine. Now apply. Now the next T2 trophy. Yeah, isn't everything now okay? Now apply. Now T1 vibe, Dixon transfers. Nicely set up the planning. Yeah. Now apply. Now the next T2 hashed FF coronal thick slab and breath hold and look at the this is the gallbladder and look here. Okay, now I nicely set up the planning. Yeah. Now apply. This is coronal images and this is axial. Now I nicely set up the planning. Look at the GB, gallbladder, pancreas. Okay, so everything is fine. Now finally apply. Now the next T2 has transfers. So axial plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images. Now this is navigators. Okay. Look here. Everything is fine. Now apply. Now the next T2 has fat sac, FS. Let's open protocol, copy parameters, review. Now okay. Now the apply. Now this and everything planning is complete. And finally look at the image. This is axial image. Look here. Yeah. And this is axial FS. Yeah. This is FS coronal. Now hashed coronal. Diffusion. Yeah.